Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to talk about recruitment of Senior Officer Law by GAIL India Limited. I am going to talk about all the details related to this recruitment. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description below. This is career opportunities in various disciplines in E1, E2 grade. There are recruitments in various streams. We are going to talk about Senior Officer Law. There are 2 vacancies for Senior Officer Law. Coming to essential qualification in education, graduate degree in any discipline with minimum 60% marks and bachelor degree in law, minimum 3 years professional course with 60% marks or 5 years integrated LLB degree with minimum 60% marks. Experience is also required, minimum 1 year post-qualification executive in-line experience as a law executive in state, central government department, institution, undertaking or large private sector organization, institutions, company of repute as an employee of that organization or as an advocate in large law firm. Candidates having experience as an advocate in law firms must have enrolled themselves with the Bar Council as an advocate for reckoning such experience. You should have experience in handling litigation before different judicial, quasi-judicial forums, arbitration conciliation matters, drafting and vetting various legal documents, handling legal matters pertaining to mergers, acquisitions and joint ventures, regulatory matters of hydrocarbon sector, industrial labor law matters, etc. Handling international law issues, cases for shipping and M&A will be decidable. This is in E2 grade post. For E2 grade, initial basic pay is rupees 16,000 and it can go up to 1,80,000. No protection of pay will be admissible to candidates joining in E2 and below grades. Coming to the selection process, candidates fulfilling all the eligibility criteria will only be considered for further selection depending upon the number of candidates fulfilling all criteria. Candidate will undergo single stage or multi-stage selection process. In the event of number of applications being large, GAIL will adopt shortlisting criteria to restrict the number of candidates to be called for further selection process to a reasonable number by suitably raising the minimum eligibility standards. Shortlisting and selection will be based on the details which are provided by the candidate. Hence, it is necessary that only accurate, full and correct information is furnished by the applicants. Selection process will involve group discussion and or interview before the selection committee for all the posts except the following. You can read out other details from the recruitment PDF. I am attaching this in the description. The important dates are from 12th of November to 11th of December. You can fill the application form from 12th of November to 11th of December. These are all the details which are mentioned over here. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below, or you can reach out to us on this number or write to us on this email ID. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.